Hello, Dr. Hashmi here. This video is a part of my Knowing Yourself series. If you know yourself better, you will do better. Now, this is the third video on moral development, and I am using Lawrence Kohlberg's Stages of Moral Development, irrespective of the fact that the good and bad is inbuilt in us as humans. If we do good, we feel good. If we do bad, we feel bad. We have already covered the first two stages of conventional and pre-conventional levels. In pre-conventional level, a child would not do any bad to avoid punishment. We don't do punishment now, but it was the case when Lawrence Kohlberg conceived these stages of moral development. I have separate videos on punishment, positive reinforcement and negative reinforcement in the section of behavioral modification. Now, the first stage, pre-conventional level, you don't do bad to avoid punishment, you do good to expect reward. The second is conventional stage, you want to carry the image as a good boy and a bad boy, or a good girl or a bad girl, as per the society expectations. So the moral development is going to take you towards good boy and good girl image. That's a persona you carry, but it's not linked with your emotions, not linked with your heart. You will do things because you are expected to do certain things. Fourth stage is that you grow up a bit more and you start having loyalty with the law of the land. You believe that if I follow the law of the land, the society will be more peaceful. We will live together in a more harmonious way. That is where the cognitive development starts coming in with your moral development. Now the last two stages is post-conventional level. The post-conventional level, the fifth stage is that you start developing the actual spirit of the law and justice. So whatever happening in the society, you start feeling that. The sense of morality start getting into your heart. You will do good because you feel that you should do good. The sense of the justice, the sense of the law, the spirit of the law. You are going to do good things. You are going to do charity. You are going to help the poor. You are going to do something really big to make this world a better place, because that is what is your duty. You must do that because that is the way we progress. That's the way world will become a better place. That's the spirit. Things start coming from your heart. You start feeling inside that you got to do that. Yeah. And the last stage is universal principles of ethics. You will progress from there. You are going to start thinking about that universally, how can I do these things? I know I live in this country. I know in this country there is law and order. I know I am doing charity. I know whenever I go to supermarket, I buy things for the poor and needy. I know I am paying in the food bank. I know I'm looking after people around me. I know I'm knocking at the door of my neighbor to see, do you need anything? I am going to the shops. All these things you are doing it. They are highly moral things. But again, they are limited to certain society around you. You have developed the sense and the spirit of the law and the justice and the good things which are coming from your heart. But beyond that, you are going to think about the world. It got to be a peaceful place. You are going to talk to people. You are going to make sure that you can influence people to do good. You are going to spend time and energies in making this world a better place, because that is what the highest standards of ethics are. That's where the high standards of morality are. Even if you follow any faith or you don't follow faith, the principles of making this world a better place, the concepts of morality and ethics will be at highest in your mind and your heart, and things will come from your heart, from inside you. Let's make everybody happy. Let's make the world a better place. Let's do something significant to make this world a better place. That's the highest level of moral development. That comes with the cognitive development. Your thinking will all change. You will think of big masses. You will think of the world well beyond your own immediate environment or your own usual operational sphere. So that's the highest level of moral development. Now, according to Kohlberg, not everybody achieves that stage. And trust you me, if everybody achieves that stage, the world would be absolutely wonderful place to live. But a lot of us develop certain stages, and that's where we stop. And that is our moral development. Now, at some stage, I am going to record some videos on what make us to stop. Because if you look at it, like I'm a great fan of Carl Rogers, that we all are born with the full set of potential. And if we want to achieve, we can achieve a lot. We just need to know ourselves. That's why I am so passionate about knowing self, because if we know ourselves, we'll do better. We will achieve our full potential. But there are a lot of people we come across who don't achieve their full potential, who are stuck in certain stages. You might come across somebody very mature, but is not going to break the law because to avoid punishment or do good thing for reward, which is a very basic stage of moral development. Why? Keep watching my videos. Thank you.